The Meghalaya Power Department is actively implementing a series of reforms to enhance the reliability and efficiency of electricity supply across the state. Sanjay Goyal, Commissioner and Secretary of the Power Department, stated that the department is focusing on infrastructure upgrades, including the introduction of covered conductor cabling, installation of new transformers and the upgrading of existing power lines. The implementation of covered conductor cabling in parts of Shillong town will significantly enhance the durability and safety of the distribution network.
These maintenance are done in the season wherein the least disruptions are there, and it's a very routine kind of thing, and plus some other works we are undertaking up to upgrade our systems in terms of upgrading the capacity of the lines, installation of new lines, and other activities.
Meghalaya is confronting a pressure